Hi guys, with this video I'm starting a new playlist on the channel will be called 3 minutes fashion tips or styling tips. And every one of those videos in that playlist will be under 3 minutes and you can learn something about fashions and style just in 3 minutes. This particular one. Look at this skirt. How shiny, how dressy. Maybe you have formal dress like that, which is you can cut in half and make a skirt. Because formal dress you will probably like that you will wear for one-time occasion, and that's about it. If you cut in half and make skirt out of it, it's so easy. I will show to you one more sometime how to do it. You can come up with this skirt, and you think it will be not as wearable as well because again, it's too shiny, it's too formal, it's kind of like maxi length a little bit, or at least half of cap length, and it's not shiny skirt, always in style, and you always can wear it, and you can wear it for occasions which is you're not even aware of. That's what is this video about. Look at that. You can combine your shiny skirt, don't have to be just neutral color like that. Any shiny skirt you can combine with sweater, with any sweater, better ripped, better a little bit to put down a little bit that skirt shine, a little bit ripped sweater, and this is kind of better quality because it's cashmere, it's a pure cashmere. But to bring these two together, it's very easy. With what? With a headscarf. Look at that. Headscarf, nice looking headscarf, and you got your outfit. You got your whole outfit, and you can wear it for picnic. You can wear it for some kind of occasion, like some weekend occasion, outside weekend occasion, and it's very cute. And it's you don't have to worry about your hairdo because when it's windy, you have nice headscarf on it, and just YouTube provides so many of ways of tying headscarf. Again, on my channel, I will come up with those videos in future. But just to give you an idea now, under 10 minutes, this is a good fashion tip how you can reuse those stuff which you have already in your closet. Springtime is here. We all desperate for new garments, new clothes. You don't have to shop. You just go through your closet and find something, and you can come up with beautiful style outfits just by combining already what you have already in your possessions. Thank you guys for watching, and I make it under 2 minutes and a half. No, well, that's going to be first in our playlist. Again, styling tips and fashion tips under 3 minutes. That's a new playlist what I'm starting today. And thank you for your time.